Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll explain how to add the AR scanner feature for Android on the augmented reality page in your app. With the augmented reality page into your app, you can deliver an interactive user experience by allowing customers to try your products virtually. So let's get started. Go to our no-code app building platform. If you have already created an app, log into your account and go to Manage and Edit to add the augmented reality page to your app. If you have not yet created an app, click on Get Started to build your app. Here we'll show you how you can add the augmented reality page to your app. Click on Start Editing to add the augmented reality page to your app. If you see that the augmented reality page is already added to your app, click on it. Otherwise, click on View All, search for Augmented Reality, and click on the page to add it to your app. The existing app users can add the augmented reality page to their app in the exact same way. Now let's take a look at everything you can do with the newly added augmented reality page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it to fit your needs. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid color or an outline color for your icon, or even an image from our library, or your own custom image for your icon. You can even upload two different images for mobile apps and websites. Let's move on to the Add AR Content section now. Click on the AR Scanner for Android feature to add it. Here you need to upload the maker file in a zip file format. You can follow our tutorial on how to upload the maker file in AR feature for easily uploading the maker file. Once the maker file is uploaded, you need to enter the license key. You can follow our tutorial on how to get the license key in AR feature to easily obtain the license key. Next comes Advanced Settings. Here you will see the option of autoplay. If you want, you can enable autoplay in your AR app from here. From here, you can delete the AR scanner for Android feature. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned with AppyPie for the latest updates.